What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, rolling with Tay. And I just want to make a quick video because it's been some months since I've had my Trek Madone and riding on tubeless tires. Now, the bike came tubeless tire ready, so I said, let me try it out. I do like tubeless tires, but it seems like it's a little bit of an inconvenience, right? All right, let me explain. So, my old road bike hardly got flats, hardly had to do anything with the tire, the tube, anything, right? This bike here, Onyx, good old Onyx, it seems like any little puncture, any little thing, the sealant comes out, right? That's what's in the tire that makes it tubeless. Any little thing. Now I can still ride on the tire when the sealant comes out, you know, but it's messy. And if you have tubeless tires, you know, and if you've seen it, you know. Then you have to take it to the bike shop. I think, what is it, 3 to 4 months, every 3 to 4 months to get the sealant replaced because it dries out. So I went on a 100-mile bike ride this past Saturday. Everything was fine, nothing happened, no mechanicals. Get home, great. The next morning I go wipe my bike down and my tire, my back tire is completely flat. I'm like, whoa, what the hell? So I try to see if there's something stuck in it. Don't see anything. Then I pump it up. The air comes out again. I'm like, what the hell? Take it to the bike shop and they said, oh, your sealant is completely dried out. What? Yeah. So if you have tubeless tires, let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong? I had the bike since late March, and I've been riding on it since beginning of April, you know, pretty frequently. So they did tell me it all depends on how often you're riding. You know, you have to come in and get the sealant replaced. But they said usually 3 to 4 months. But damn. So yeah, if you have tubeless tires, let me know how you feel about them. I don't dislike them. I like them, honestly, even though it is messy and a bit inconvenient. Like, if you know, you know. But I can still ride on them. You know, I don't have to worry about changing the flat, unless it's like a huge puncture where it's just like, okay, well. And I do carry spare tubes with me, but yeah, this is every 3 to 4 months. But luckily, the season is almost over. Well, not luckily, because I don't want the season to be over, but we are in late July, about to be August, and luckily it was replaced when I took it to the bike shop, so I shouldn't have to worry about it. You know, I'll go into out of the season, and then I'll decide, am I going to stick with the tubeless tires or am I going to go back to tube tires? Yeah, I have to decide. But if you do have tubeless tires, please let me know what you think. Am I doing something wrong? Should I be getting these many punctures? I do live in New York City. There's glass everywhere, debris everywhere. I don't know. Let your girl know. But yeah, just a quick video on riding on tubeless tires since April. Peace.